It's the Opal Bug and a sailing boat. Crazy. Bit lost, the sailing boat, and check out the big Goanna. Big Goanna next to the IGA. Check out this mural. It's got dogs, people, fossicking for opals, explosives not to be brought into this theatre. Attention, patrons. And there's a dude with a swag and a dog smoking joints. I want to say vote no, and that's an Aboriginal community. Doesn't make any sense to me. Flying saucer at Coober Pedy. Check out that view. And a house that's buried. Coober Pedy Wellbeing Labyrinth. And take a little bit of a wander. Twig keeps looking off like she's seeing something. I think she's looking for wallabies, but there's no wallabies here, Twig. Coober Pedy's first cemetery. Check it out. Here we go. The old cemetery. Pegging our claims on the Golden Shore. This site was chosen as cemetery after the death of first miner James Connolly in 1921. Many other Coober Pedy miners are buried here, including Billy Pepper Crombie. Film identity in the 1960s. The cemetery was used from 1921 to 75 with a new cemetery. Account of James Connolly's burial. As proper boards for a coffin not procurable, we requisitioned old wood tray from which we fashioned a decent looking box. When the corpse was enclosed, we found that the box was too heavy for men, especially as it was raining, a rare thing on the field. Here we are, we found the oldest grave. James Connolly, born 1889, died 1921. Wasn't that old, only 40. No, 30. 1889 to 1921. He died as a miner. I wonder what happened. Old police lockup. Police were called in to a cricket match because was selling bad grog. The first residential peace claim in 1921 included a small lockup. It was unknown if it's actually ever used. The old lockup was Coober Pedy's first above ground building. It's uncertain if the lockup ever held criminals, but it has been used as a temporary camping place, bedroom, morgue, and an isolation cell for a mental patient. Here it is. And there's the poster. Sketchy mine. Sketchy mine with a moon graffiti. There's nothing really down here. We've already had a look. Just someone dug into the rock looking for opal. That's about it. The big flat field, a good tucker money field. The big flat opal field can be seen in the background beyond Flat Hill Road. Original 9 claims. The first big field at Coober Pedy was the centre of the diggings. A good tucker field. Could always find him something to survive. Well, look at that, 1956, all just pockmarked. And there it is. Okay, top up charging after flying the drone. We arrived with 50%. We're just going to go to 70. We could do all the way to 90, but I'll just do it in the morning. This will give us a head start. Going to 70. We were getting 115 kilowatts. Flew the drone over the Opal fields. We were going to go to the breakaways. Pretty fancy, well-known place, but you needed a permit. I didn't realise. And I stopped and spoke to a tour guide, and he said, yes, you technically do need a permit, and yes, and no, sorry, you can't fly the drone. So I went and flew the drone over the Opal fields. So enjoy that footage. I don't know if I can whack it in this quick version of the video, maybe a photo. But yeah, good on RAA. We love RAA charging. We got a beef vindaloo. And we hung it on the curry hook in the Polestar, but I didn't take a video of that. A beef vindaloo for dinner. Ooh, yum, extra hot, spicy. From the Ampol servo, Twig. Another bit of a room tour of the Coober Pedy Underground Experience Motel. That's Twig friendly. Twig's having her dinner. Twiggy, liking your dinner? Good girl. Very happy with this room. Very nice. Give it 5 stars on Google review. And yes, that is an umbrella. That's an umbrella over the air hole. To stop stuff falling in, I guess. Spiders and such. Ooh, scary. Very nice room indeed.